My name is Mrs. Young. I like to make videos to teach you new things and to help you remember the things you already know. I'm glad you're here today.
Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? I hope you are doing great. Today is Tuesday, August 8th in the year 2023. So if we look at our calendar, we are on the 8th, Tuesday the 8th in the year 2023. We are on the first full week of the month and we still have 3 more weeks to go. So around this time of year, people are getting back from their vacations and starting to have to go back to work, back to school. And another thing that is happening is football season is starting up again. So this time of year, the football teams play preseason games, and that means they're sort of like practice games. So if you're interested, there are 2 preseason games coming up on Thursday night. And if you don't like football, that is okay too. But like I said, we are getting back into our routines. We're getting back to school, back to work. Summer is kind of winding down, and it is time to get back into the routine of doing our chores. So that is what our lesson is going to be about today. Are you ready? Okay, here we go.
There are many different types of chores that need to be done around the house to keep it clean and organized. We need to clean the floors, dust the furniture, and clean the bathroom. We need to do the laundry, which includes washing and drying the clothes, folding them, and putting them away. Another chore is going grocery shopping, putting the groceries away, and cooking meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also have to make sure that we wash and dry the dishes and put the dishes away. We need to take care of our pets too, like feeding them and taking them for a walk. There are also outside chores, like taking out the trash, raking the leaves, mowing the lawn, and watering the plants. When you're ready to do your chore, decide what supplies you need and gather them all up. Once you start your chores, be sure to finish all the steps and don't stop in the middle. When you're finished, check your work. If it's done right, then put away all your supplies. Chores are important because they teach us responsibility, good work habits, and help us figure out how to solve problems. Doing chores also helps us work together with the people we live with. Sometimes we might not feel like doing our chores, but there are some things we can do to make it easier to get them done. You can do your chores at a certain time each day or on a certain day of the week. You can find ways to make it fun, like listening to music or having a race with someone in your house to see who can get finished first. You can also break up big chores into smaller steps. If your room is a mess, you can clean it up a little each day instead of trying to do it all at once. Once you get in the habit of doing chores, you'll feel good about what you've done and your house will be neat and clean.
All right, guys, so like we just said, sometimes we don't feel like doing our chores, but it is important, and we always feel good about ourselves and about our house when we are finished. Some of us have favorite chores, and some of us have least favorite chores. What are some of your favorite chores, and what are some of your least favorite chores to do? Well, I hope that you have a great week, and I will see you again next Tuesday in our next video. Bye.